What is up, YouTube fam? If you're watching this video, you're probably interested in the new wheel setup for the Z that we have here. But before we can get into that reveal, we got to go ahead and change out some wheel spacers. We have to do away with these disgusting 50 mil rear spacers. We're going to do an extended lug set from Z1, front and rear. We're still going to end up running spacers, I think, but it'll be like 5 up front and 10 in the rear instead of 35 up front and 50 in the rear. So let's go ahead and get into disassembling the rear so we can do our extended studs, and then we'll have to wait a day or two. I'll have to wait a day or two. For you, it'll be a matter of seconds for the rest of the wheels to show up because the delivery got split. 2 of them showed up yesterday and the other 2 aren't going to show up until Monday, and it's now Friday, so that is sad. Luckily for you guys, you won't have to wait. But let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, so once you get to this part, we're not really going to care about these stock studs anymore. So just grab yourself like a 3 or 5 pound mallet and we'll just tap them out. So now that we have all those out, we're going to go ahead and put in our new studs that we got from Z1. Now these are going to be a 60 mil compared, oops, damn it, dropped them. So you can see 60 mil compared to our stock stud. So this is going to be able to allow us to run spacers without actually having to do like another bolt-on style. So let's put these in. So I don't know if you guys could see that or not. Don't have a panic attack like I did. There is enough room to stick a 60 mil back in there without taking your e-brake all apart. There's going to be enough room back in here to slide that in. Get it started into the hole, and then you'll rotate it around and it'll push in. Now I'm just using a big enough nut that will slide over to act as a spacer, and then using one of the nuts from the old wheel spacer. Now there is Now there is a proper tool to use while doing this. I have it on order, but it won't show up until Monday, so I'll show you that, guys. I'll show you that when we do the fronts. We'll use that instead of this. I'm just impatient at the moment, so let's go ahead and finish this up. Ooh. Wow. That looks so good. All right, so what has been 3 days for me was only about a second for you guys, so lucky on your end. But the pieces we were finally waiting for came in. Our front wheels got all sorts of screwed up. Like you guys just saw, we got the rears mounted and balanced. We got the new extended lug studs on with our new spacers. And that's the backs all taken care of for now. We were waiting on our wheels. One of them showed up Saturday, one of them showed up Monday, and then we went and got the fronts mounted and balanced Monday as well. And now today is Tuesday, so I've been waiting for 4 days to do this now. But our package from Z1 has finally shown up, and I'll show you guys. We got ourselves a new full silicone radiator hose replacement, just because I want to do a coolant flush here in the next couple days, and I figured while we're in there, might as well change out some of those old lines from 2003. But the real thing that's been holding us back, and they sent us a billet wiper delete, which we already had one from Home Depot that we threw together, but that'll be cool, switch it out for something a little bit better. But what we've been waiting on is this. So what this is an offset eccentric bolt elimination kit, and there's two. So basically what this is going to do is this is going to replace our stock camber bolts that did not show up when we got our arms. Unfortunately, I ordered it all at the same time, and this got lost in shipping over 4 weeks ago. But luckily the nice guys over at Z1 corrected it and expedited the shipping to us, so they showed up this afternoon. But what this is going to do is replace our stock camber bolts. We're going to lose some camber in the rear, but I think that was a good thing, especially on this new Meteor setup. Plus we don't have to worry about now the possibility of our camber bolts just kind of doing whatever it is they want to do. So let's go ahead and jack the rear of the car up and swap these bolts out, and then we can start dialing in some of our finalized fitment. So apparently I got in such a rush before we left, I didn't film any sort of like final for this video. We ran into a small problem up front. The wheels didn't show up in time while I was filming this video, so we had to wait for the wheels. Then the wheels came in, we got them mounted on that Monday, and then when I went to go test fit them, I realized that all the measurements I had taken were wrong because I didn't account for our big brake kit when I was looking at examples on Fitment Industry. So I had to rush order yet another extended lug kit from Z1 so we could get the front wheels to clear the big brake kit. So that was a giant pain in the ass. But it's all done, it's all on, and I'm going to show you right now. There is the new setup for the Z. I am so happy with how this turned out. We got the Hyper Gold from Cosmis Racing, the XT0OR6s. We are running a 18 by 11 plus 8 in the rear and an 18 by 9.5 plus 10 up front with a 235/40/18 and a 265/35/18 in the rear from Federal. So really happy with the way this rides. It fits a little bit better. We are gonna have to do some more tweaking once some more stuff comes in, but there it is. There's the new setup for this year, and I'm so excited with how it came together. I just wish it wasn't such a rush, but it is what it is, and we got it together. So hope you guys like it. Stay tuned for new photos dropping on the Instagram. We're down here in Arizona, and we're going to take full advantage of those nice desert sunsets. So stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.